Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hopefully, you are doing well.
Class 4, today you are going to revise exercise question number 4, E part of chapter number 3. So, E part is what is a monitor? Explain in detail the types of monitor available. So, the answer of that question is on page number 21 plus 22. So, let's start. Monitor. A monitor is an output device that looks like a television. As you all know that monitor is an output device, it looks like a television. Why it is an output device? Because it displays the outcome and results of your raw information which is processed by computer. It displays the video or graphic information which has been generated by a computer. The monitor is connected with the CPU which transmits data to it and the monitor displays the output. So monitor must need to be connected with CPU for transmitting data and by the connection with CPU monitor displays the output. There are several types of monitor available. So there are basic 3 types of monitor available. First is monochrome monitors. These monitors display the result in one color only. These are usually called as black and white monitors. So monochrome monitors are the older form of monitors which displays the result in only one color, and it also known as black and white monitor. Why it also known as black and white monitor? Because it displays the result in only black and white color. Second type of monitor is color monitor. The color monitors present result in many colors. As you all know that color monitors presents the result or output in many colors. These monitors are very commonly used these days. So these are the monitors which are very commonly used nowadays. Third monitor is LCD monitors. LCD stands for liquid crystal display monitor, is a modern form of a color monitor. It is a modern form of a color monitor. It displays the result in many colors plus in HD form. So the LCD is thinner and occupies lesser space. So its structure is thinner and occupies lesser space. So that's why people liked it very much. It also has a better color display.